Meaning of heterosexuality.
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 Heterosexuality. Heterosexuality refers to sexual attraction and behavior between individuals of different genders. It is a term used to describe people who are romantically and/or sexually attracted to individuals of the opposite sex. Heterosexuality is often viewed as the norm, and it is the predominant sexual orientation in many cultures worldwide. Individuals who identify as heterosexual may have a wide range of experiences and relationships, and their sexuality is not necessarily defined solely by their sexual behavior. Like all sexual orientations, heterosexuality is a complex aspect of human identity that can vary from person to person.